So today it's the 9th of November 2022, and we have Bernhardinkatu Finland 8 here, also in Finland. Helsinki, Helsingfors, also in Finland, another very beautiful elevator. It's built in 1928. Just 2 persons and 60 grams, it's tiny. And it's in a very stage. 902. Upgraded sometime in the 1960s, but only the gold buttons. Buttons are original. It's going to be inspected in 2024. I think 3 rides still.
Yeah, of course. It's almost Artian machinery, I think.
Yeah, another one of the most beautiful residential buildings in Helsingfors. Also written in notes which brev och tidningar on the fourth floor. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Also a really beautiful vibe. I mean, grand vibe in the staircase. Another great staircase.
Yeah, probably. Spektiivitpaikkivaisi, mutta meitä ei pakko olla.
Not yet.
Yeah.
This elevator will be 95 years old in next year, 2023. I can sit down.
Yeah.
You can press the buttons. I love the vibrations here. The staircase is rounded, and the the shaft is also rounded.
Yeah.
But the cab is not, but still. We're only 2 persons, so it's even more rare.
Yeah.
love the fact that you can look out through to the garden from here.
Yeah.
And it is for sure one of the more expensive residential properties as a first. Not the most expensive, but one of the more expensive at least.
Yeah.
In the center. Yeah, at least. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. There should be a steady speed. You can check it later.
That's